Hi, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Today I thought to start the drug designing video again. So uh, I start either with the free software or with the old one, any web server that is helpful for my student and the subscriber. So initially I thought I need to start with the ADME property because that is the highly demand. Like I receive number of messages from my student also, like they need to predict the ADME property. For that I need to share one new simulator web server that is used to predict the ADME property of the compound. You can see the website is visible on my laptop. You can see the name is, the website is SimulationsPlus and the module is ADME predictor. ADME stands from absorption, metabolism, no, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity prediction. And it is a flagship machine learning platform for the modeling of the physicochemical property of the compound to predict its ADMET. Fine. It is helpful to assess the pharmacokinetic assessment, and that is deployed for the that is helpful for the medicinal chemist to design a new compound. Fine. So we explore this website and we can find how this is useful to us. Fine. For the detail of any kind of drug design web server or any kind of freelancing work, you can approach to me with the help of Insta as well as I Facebook close group. Fine. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to my channel. In the next video, I would like to explore this video. Thank you.